good, YouTube? It's your girl Sarah with an H back with another banger, period. Today we're installing a used wig. Per the title, shout out to my girl Brandy for appearing in this video. This wig, I know she look a little rusty. She's from my hairline. This wig is over a year old. Brandy has had at least 6 installs with this same wig. So if you're looking for a wig that's gonna last long, holla at your girl. I'm going to try not to talk as much in this video. It is a little longer, but if there's something I need to say, I will jump back in. If not, I'm gonna try to keep the music going, keep the vibe going, and y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm just going to outline where this wig is going to lay on her head so I can know where I'm going to stop pulling my glue down. If you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are in the Vegas area, make sure you come and see a girl. I would love to see you. Show it, but of course I'm going in again with my skin protectant from Bold Hold. I do not miss this step. Skin protectant and cleaner. You're going to see me now mold down her cap with a thin layer of glue. After I go ahead and mold down the cap, I will start using bigger balls of glue, bringing the glue down further on her forehead. And yeah, stay tuned. Smooth out that glue so I can get it as even as possible. We're going to do 4 layers. After I do the 4th layer, I'm going to let that turn clear, or as clear as I could possibly get it. I'm going to then lay her hair down, use a blow dryer, and further dry that lace. I'm going to put my client under the blow dryer for 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. As you can see, there's some pieces of lace that are going to be getting cut off. So what I'm going to do is section out the pieces that I feel like hair has to go. I'm going to have my client hold those pieces. Make sure your client is holding those pieces tight. Make sure they're not letting it go. They're not moving around. Brandy, when you watch this, stop letting your hair go, okay? Hold it tight. Anyway, we want to hold it tight because we don't want any lumps and bumps, no bubbles, no nothing. We want a seamless install. So if you're getting help from your client, make sure that they are holding that lace, that hair, whatever they're participating in. Make sure they do it to their fullest potential. Okay. Before we go up under the blow dryer, I am going to carve out my client's part. I'm going to add some mousse on that part just to make sure it's nice and flat. I'm going to wrap her with some wrap strips, and then under the dryer she goes. And just like that, Brandy is from up under the dryer. We're going to take this elastic band off and cut that excess lace. Right here, I'm just going over her hairline with a makeup that's a little darker than her complexion, just so that we can, like, mix it together and make it blend. And now we're going to start the styling process. I'm going to go ahead and carve out her part. I'm then going to melt her lace with a smaller elastic band. And we're going to get into styling. And I will be back when we get to styling. blow dry and press this hair off camera. When I curl hair, I like to press the hair out first. I don't know, I feel like it gives it like a more tapered look. I feel like it just looks a little more clean and crisp. There's no bumps and lumps. Time for those baby hairs. We just gonna cut them short. I like to cut, I don't want to cut them too short just because like you can always take away hair, you can't add back hair, so I cut it long enough, and if I have to go shorter, then I'll go shorter. We're gonna cut these baby hair and then give them a little curl, and then we're gonna lay them. I am laying my edges with Got To Be glue, the yellow bottle. I like the yellow bottle. Sometimes I do feel like it could be a little bit much if a client is like wanting to switch it up a little bit. They can be pretty hard. So if you don't want like hard baby hair, then I would suggest using mousse if you know how to work with mousse. I do also use like a freeze spray or some type of hairspray to lay the baby hair down too. I mean, I guess it's just really based on preference and what the client wants. Alright, we're gonna do the other side, and just like that, we back. We're gonna go ahead and get these curls popping, and I will be back when the finished product is here. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna define this part, let these curls down, comb the curls out a little bit. My girl Brandy does not like curls. Brandy loves her hair nice and sleek, nice and straight, but we always do straight. So I told her, at least let me put a little bump in it. You know, when you used to go to the salon and the lady used to say, "Yeah, I'm just gonna bump the ends." Well, I just bumped her ends a little bit. And we have reached the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching.